Think you'd be shitting your pants.
Oh shit, this is
Deep.
Walking, hiking, uphill, downhill.
What?
That way.
No, it's not.
I'm gonna push that kid off the...
The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
Welcome, adventurers, thrill seekers, and curious souls. Today we embark on a mystical journey into the heart of the mysterious natural wonder, the legendary Gorgo della Escalera, a place that whispers tales of ancient secrets and mystical allure. Hidden deep within the enigmatic land, Gorgo della Escalera is a breathtaking gorge that cuts through the rugged terrain, leaving us in awe of Mother Nature's artistry. The name itself, Gorgo della Escalera, translates to Gorge of the Stairs, hinting at the intriguing steps that lead into a world beyond imagination. It's more than just a natural stunning wonder. For centuries, the Gorgo della Escalera captivated the hearts of poets, adventurers, and seekers of the unknown. Its secrets are whispered in the rustle of the leaves and echoed through the sound of flowing waters. The locals pass down ancient legends of spirits inhabiting the gorge, guardians of its mystical energy. But fear not, for those who dare to explore its depth are rewarded with an unforgettable experience, one that touches the soul and ignites the spirits of adventure within. As you venture through the winding trails and hidden staircases, you'll find yourself immersed in lush greenery, surrounded by towering rock formations that seem to tell a story of their own. Every twist and turn reveals new wonders, offering breathtaking vistas and an escape from the mundane world above. While this extraordinary destination remains relatively undiscovered, we are here to change that. So prepare yourself for the journey ahead and join us as we explore this wonder for the first time.
Oh no, it's the police.
It is.
They're coming to get you.
How's it coming to get you? Stop saying that.
Coming to
I'm
get
so
you.
paranoid.
I said, I feel like such a middle-class citizen finally with some proper shoes.
I know.
Could you get a shot of me with my new shoes?
Certainly.
Getting all the heel support.
Oh, look at this dude. Oh, looking like a snack. Oh, yes. Cool outfit there.
Walking, hiking, uphill, downhill, step up, step down. Uncle Phil's. This could be a commercial on its own.
Certainly.
Let's get some dip for our bread. This is mozzarella, that is cheese, that is cream cheese. Philadelphia, yeah. Oh yeah, with the herbs. Let's get that. Gorgo della Escalera is located in a little town called Anna, which is less than an hour drive from Valencia. This region is known for having numerous waterfalls, and some are more hidden than others. After making some preparations for the long day ahead, we start our journey in the east corner of Anna. Once you get there, there are signs posted up around telling you about the directions you can go and the pathways you can follow. But be prepared, this trek down is not for the faint of heart. I can hear the water. Right down there it goes downhill, right? That was fast. Quite aerodynamic.
Yeah.
I can feel the freshness of the waterfall. That is loud. Damn. Oh damn, that is a violent waterfall. Quite violent.
Through some parts of this route, your shoes will get wet. It is inevitable, so be prepared.
Oh, you think it's through there? I think it's through there.
No, it's not.
Can you go first?
No, you go first. I don't think it's
This
really,
is-
I think it's over there.
No, I think it's through there.
No, you can go first.
This is
What
the
if I
way.
get stuck there?
You won't get stuck.
No, I'm not going in there.
It's the right size. Okay.
There's a bear waiting in there.
You think it's through here?
Oh, it's too fast.
I mean, it looks sketchy, but yeah, you can lead the way then.
Looks sketchy. This is
Yeah.
easier.
That looks way more trustable.
What?
That way.
No, it's not.
Okay, you can go.
Careful. Flipping hole, Andy.
The beginning of the route is accessible for almost everyone. The path goes downhill, then has segments that are flat. But if you want to push further and visit the other waterfalls, you'll need to crouch and even crawl at times to get through the thick vegetation.
And then you have to go up here into this little area and then continue the path down. There you go. And around here it starts to get a bit steep. Just need to like hold on to the branches. Like hold on left and right. To go down, you watch your step. As you go down further, you hold on to stuff so you don't slip. And then this is one part. You can even like hold on to these branches. And this is where it gets trickier, because this is very steep. This is that steep that you need to go on your hands and knees and go down straight. So I'm gonna put my phone away and do that. This is how steep it is. Luckily there's some things you can hold on to, so watch out for those and hold on while you're coming down. Here someone put a stair. Escalera! So that is quite convenient. And then you continue a path going down even more. Whew, this was the next part. You can see I came from up there. Need to come down. Rocks are falling down from this side. Need to go down, and then you go into the dark hole. There you go. I think this is the last part, and then up there where the light is, there is the waterfall. You can already see how tough it is. I'm sweating bullets.
After walking and crawling for about 20 minutes, we are met with another magnificent waterfall. This one is also used by canyoneers, and local tour operators offer tours following the way of the water. We decided it was time to take a break and freshen up, and also shoot some amazing drone footage.
The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
After a refreshing swim, it was time to head up the hill to a spot that is more accessible and is often used for picnics. The water here is crystal clear. You can even see the fish right through. And these guys are very curious and swim up right up to you every time you approach the water. We continue our hike through the jungle in search for our next waterfall.
I mean, it must be through here. Was this someone's house in the middle of the jungle? It looks like, oh, it's just a wall.
No, it's just a wall, man. But like,
just-
through there?
I don't know. I feel like you're gonna check it out.
It's a path.
There is a path.
Can you go check it out?
I feel like you can go and check it out.
No. You're not gonna leave me alone.
I'm not gonna leave you.
You are going.
Oh, this is a building. You see, I told you.
Used to be.
It's like a church or something.
That path literally there. There you go.
So if you had went through there. Oh, but there is a cave.
Yeah, yeah.
Let's take a look. Let's take a look to the cave. There's even like little benches. You can sit on. Oh, look at that. Cool. I'm gonna take some pictures here. Who lives here?
Oh, that feels creepy.
Batman. Beautiful, right?
This was someone's house.
Who do you think used to live here?
I don't know. Princess?
President of Spain.
President of what? No.
Spain. El Presidente was his name.
Whoa. So many rooms.
Here was the master bathroom. This was the bathtub.
Yes.
You can see the tiles.
Oh, careful. Whoa, we can. Oh, it's deep here.
Oh shit, this is
Fucking deep. Can
this
you
is
see?
fucking deep.
It is so fucking deep.
That's a deep bathtub. I don't know why it needs to be that deep. 2-story house. There's some more holes in there.
Check there. Check that one. In the corner.
Is it deep?
Really deep.
Fucking A.
No.
Hey! Is it down there?
Careful.
Have you watched it?
Yes.
That's another. It's another level.
It is.
Like it goes down for a whole other level. Scary place. Would you spend the night here?
Yeah.
Just pitch a tent right there.
It will be okay, I think.
You'd be okay?
Who's here?
I think you'd be shitting your pants.
You think so? You're shitting your pants.
I'm not shitting my pants. I think you're shitting your pants. No, this is not it. It's just a little hidden lagoon. Or maybe... No, it's further down. We made it.
Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more inspiring content like this, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join our community of motivated individuals. See you on the next one.
Guataqui, guataqui, qué gracioso el guataqui, 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 qué gracioso el guataqui. A la orilla del camino se pone a cavar el hoyo, con su birrete de cuero se parece a Ambrosio Hoyo. Guataqui, guataqui, qué gracioso el guataqui, 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 qué gracioso el guataqui. En los meses de verano él sale de madrugada y si la luna está clara para poner su nidada. Guataqui, guataqui, qué gracioso el guataqui, guataqui.